So this is the conversation that I've been having with Carrie just now, and I need to have it with you. You know, we've had these conversations over the years where we've paid somebody like $2,500 or $1,500 to have this conversation with us. And I had this amazing conversation with Bryan, and you're going to get to meet Bryan inside the Success Seekers Sanctuary. And this is my wish. This is my wish for you guys, that this conversation that you have with Bryan is equivalent to a $1,500 conversation or a $2,500 conversation, where he gets to the bottom of what your core talents are, what your core essence is, and the marketability of that. And is it balanced? Is it going to make you happy, healthy, wealthy, and loved to do this business activity? And then you're cohesive, like your beacon is cohesive. It's the correct color. People can see it from space. And like, it's just super important. I'm just like so excited about this. I'm like, oh my God, Carrie, I feel like I have a new boyfriend. But this is just so important to me. You know, success is not a safe space for women. People are like, who do you think you are? Well, fucking talented. That's who I think I am. And there's a lot of stuff that I know how to do. You know, and this is one of them. And, you know, that add value, that add like so much joy, so much bliss into business. And I think, you know, we really need to have that. We can't have a boring business that's, you know, dragging us into burnout every freaking day. Like, please no, please don't do that. And so that's what I wanted to share. I'm like super excited. You can see I've like eaten off all my lipstick because Carrie and I are working so hard to get this bot launched. But yeah, Bryan's pretty special. I can't wait for you to meet him. I can't wait. Bye, guys.